Hey guys, welcome back to Michael Fox. Hey guys, welcome back. Michael Fox here, and today we're gonna go outside and just play around, I guess. And then I seen this. Yes, it is raining. So basically, I have to sit out here or on that picnic table, and yeah, so should work out. So the trip of Water Safari, I'm gonna be in Uncle Carl's car with Landon and Caroline, and one more person. I don't know who that is, but I think Landon is subscribed to me or something. So when I'm subscribed to, when I'm on that trip, I'm gonna start my YouTube video wicked early, as soon as one of my parents wake me up, or someone wakes me up, because as soon as I get up, I'm gonna start the YouTube video. And yes, we're gonna have to take a shower and all that, so I shall be. So we'll take a shower, get in Uncle Carl's car, and I will try to see if Landon gets a new phone, because if he does, we can both do YouTube videos. And yeah, my YouTube friend is over there in his house, and I'm outside of my house, just sitting here talking to you guys. So about the modder thing and that, I have to make another YouTube video because the modder is not on yet. I'll start it when he gets on, if I can, because me and him are gonna be in a call and all of that filthy shit. So yeah. God damn it, a piece of my own hair. So basically, we're going to Water Safari, as you all know. And yes, I will be there will be a lot of bouncing around. So like every minute or more, I will pause the YouTube video, and then I will make a new one when we get to Water Safari. So basically what's happening is the new YouTube video will be out on the 25th, same day as the trip, and we will be in freaking luck. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna try getting under the picnic table. This should be fun. Well, I'm under the picnic table, so that was easy. And yes, this is my good old friend, Mr. Tree. He blocks me from all those things. So basically, that kid supposedly is a YouTuber. And I'm going to ask my mom if we can ever get a camera or something like that. God damn it. It's starting to fall on me, so be right back, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Voila! Today I'm just going to show you. So, pretty much, if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about Water Safari, which I already did. And then I'm going to show you what I have to go through for me to have Xbox Live. But yeah, if you have an Xbox 360, I advise you to follow my rules. Oh, God damn it. This is also what I go through. It keeps shutting off on me. Yes, I have a cord because I just bought that. And I got these for my birthday and Christmas. Christmas is the blue one. Birthday is the red one. So this is what I go through. It says all that. And then it says sign into your email. So what you want to do is you want to hit OK, and it'll say, hold up, just I just kicked. Sorry about all this moving around, guys. It will say this. And you can't hack my account without knowing my password, which is why it's like that. And then I'll say this. And you do that, I'll say that. So you hit OK. Then you press this button right here. Then it will go to that. You're not signed in fully. So then you go to settings, you go to system settings, you go to storage. Then if your thing is on hard drive, you go to there, you hit your online character, you move it to there, you say yes. Then you move it to there if you have it, or if you have that, and if it won't let you do that one, you do a third one, but I have to do this one, but it will keep signing you out. So it says sign out, and then it says one friend is online. There you go. The modder is online currently. Wait, no it's not. It's honestly this guy. I just invited him to a party. So, see? And if you want your game to stop freezing, if it keeps freezing, oh god damn it. That's what I also have to go through. It keeps shutting off on me. So I have to do that whole processing again. So I'll get back with you when it turns on. So now I just loaded up, so god damn it. No matter how I plug it in, it keeps doing that. I think it's something wrong with my cord. So then you do the same process if you have the same issue, it just keeps shutting off. Like that. So now you do that, and it will show you how to stop making your GTA freeze and to stop freaking, and how you can sign in. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Oh shit. No, it's not. It's so pretty much that's the end of the video. And just watch to the end. Just listen to my advice because it really works on Xbox 360. Don't know how to do it on Xbox One. But yeah, every time you sign out, if you don't have another piece, if you have 3 pieces to it, like 3 systems to put it in, like 3 storage areas, then god damn it, memory unit, profiles, 3. God damn it. Then if you only have 2, put it in the second one. If you have 3, put it in the third one, because the third one you won't be able to, you don't have to do that again. So that will be the end of the video. Remember, like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, leave a comment down below saying I subscribed, and I will shout out to you in the next video. Peace.